Easy now.
Easy now.
I don't want to be alone. I'm so cold.
Hello? Somebody, please.
I don't want to disappear.
Good morning, beach. Brr, the water's cold today.
Pretty little treasure. Did I hear someone?
Hello?
Who's there? Don't be scared. I'm friendly.
Hi, I'm Rocky.
You look very cold. What's your name?
Roro.
Are you all right? You look frozen.
I can't move. I'm too weak.
That's okay.
You don't have to move. I will help you.
You're not alone anymore.
Thank you, Rocky.
Rest. I've got you.
A warm place. Just wait. We're almost there, Roro.
Where are we?
To a cave. A safe, warm cave.
Okay. This moss is soft. Try to rest here.
It's comfy. Good. Sleep now.
Warm walls. Warm dreams.
Warm. Yes, warm.
A small fire, not too close.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Hello, warm little fire. That's it, you're safe.
Just enough, not too much.
It's... Oh, yeah. Warm.
Hey, it's okay. You're in a cave. I made a small fire to keep you warm.
You stayed.
This will stay warm for a long time. If it's too warm, tell me.
Rocky, don't leave.
I'm right here.
You rest. I will guard the night.
I think I'm hungry.
That's good. Hungry means you're getting stronger. I'll find you something warm to eat.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Easy food. Gentle food. Perfect. Soft and healthy. This will do nicely.
Just a little. That's enough.
Good. Very good.
Hang on, Roro. Food is coming.
I'm back. You came back. You came back.
Now we make it warm and easy to eat. Just a little soup, full of care. All done. Warm and easy.
Roro, it's ready. Come slowly. No rush. I can sit. My head doesn't spin anymore.
See? Your strength was always there.
Slowly.
It's warm.
It tastes. Nice, nice.
Good. Your body remembers here's how to heal.
I'm hungry. I was so hungry. I can tell.
Easy now.
Easy now. Sweet. I'm standing. That's my brave Roro. I did it! I hit! What if I'm still weak?
Being brave doesn't mean never being afraid. It means trying, even when you are.
Then I'll try. I feel lighter. Will you come with me? As far as you need. I think I'm ready. It's beautiful.
The world didn't leave. It was waiting for you.
It's warm, not scary anymore. Rocky, look! I'm looking! I'm not weak anymore. What if I fall again? What if I fall again?
If you fall, you get up. Just like you did.
It's cold, but I'm okay. I forgot how fun this feels.
You remembered.
Rocky, Do you have to stay with me? Forever?
I stayed until you remembered your strength.
Now, you don't need me every step. You helped me find myself. Thank you for not leaving me.
Thank you for being brave.
Go on. Live.
I will. I'll be right here if you ever need me.
I won't forget.
That's how it's done.
You're ready. I'm okay. Kindness saved me. Kindness saved me.
Hello there. Are you lost?
Yes, a little.
You are brave, Roro.
Thank you, Rocky.